style, wow. Crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now knock that pussy out. Yeah, it's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit. She be smoking my dick. Be smoking my dick, boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, fill it up, go there, ho, you know what's up. In the club, bitch, slow down, pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it. And this the life we chose, working all night, but I'm never going broke, and I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm,
Smoking, joking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000 spending like it's nothing. Money flowing, never sober, smoking till I got concussions, no discussions. Man, I got a condo and got a big crib down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting in, and I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my partner got shipping in. He talk about it, I'm living it.